Welcome to this section on leads management. Let us create lead manually. Existing leads are listed here. We can see various details like your team member working on this lead, or the team it is assigned to, etc. Quickly let us create one. You will need to fill in the relevant details pertaining to this new lead. You have the option of assigning it manually to one of your team members, and even can assign it to a particular team as well, which will reflect in all team members bucket. Here you can ensure the source of lead generation, tracked for your analysis later. Once you have captured all the relevant data, save it. You can see after every update, the lead score is updated based on the rules set. This was a quick demonstration on how to capture lead manually. Thank you. Contact us on www.mfatech.com or contact@mfatech.com.